Hi there. So you've probably been thinking about doTERRA as a business opportunity. Maybe you're interested in how we can share oils with others and earn benefits for ourselves as well. It's a win-win situation. Today I'm going to share a little bit about the joy of sharing essential oils. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my screen here so you can all see. So the joy of sharing essential oils. Why would we want to partner with doTERRA? Well, partnering with doTERRA, we are the largest essential oil company in the world. The most tested, most trusted oils in the market today. We are used by doctors and hospitals worldwide. And I love our sustainable sourcing that works directly with farmers instead of having that middleman. We're able to lift up communities by working with them directly and offer a lot of benefits to people all over the world. Our compensation plan is very smart, and we have a very high retention rate of 65%. That's customer loyalty. Customers reorder, 65% of customers reorder within a year. That's a very high retention rate, about 10 times what the normal retention rate is. We are a privately owned company, and we have a wonderful leadership team that owns the company and helps us all along the way. We are debt-free, and there is no funding that we need from anyone else to be completely sustainable. This is our group of doTERRA people out at convention. This is just some of the people that gathered for a photo, and it is a fun time where we go and learn more about our business. If you've been thinking about learning more, I highly encourage you to attend convention in Salt Lake in September. It's a great time. It's a lot of product information, but it's a great time to gather with our business partners as well. A lot of product information is shared there to help us grow our business. We are surrounded by the best people in the world, and some questions you might have is, how much money do I make? How much time is involved? Could this work for me? What's the next step? Well, with doTERRA, it's basically a very simple process of sampling people with oils, teaching them about the essential oils, helping them get started or enroll, and then supporting them on their journey to help them love their oils and use them to the fullest. This is a simple process that we repeat over and over again. With the income potential, it is very significant with doTERRA. We have different ranks, which are in the leadership structure of elite and premier, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, blue diamond, and presidential diamond. And this over time really can grow to be either something to pay for your product, supplement your income, or even replace and multiply your income. These different levels are attainable by every single person, and there is no limit on what you can make. I love the availability of what they offer us to grow our businesses. So how much time is involved? Well, if you want your oils paid for, typically about 3 to 5 hours per week is needed to dedicate to your doTERRA business. If you're looking to supplement your income, you're looking at 5 to 15 hours a week. And if you want to replace your income or actually sustainably grow your income, 15 to 30 hours a week would be needed to work in your business. So could this work for me? There's a couple questions here. Are you passionate about oils? Do you love people? Can you follow a system and get things done? Well, if you can, this could be for you. Following a system is wonderful, and doTERRA really helps us with each step as we go along. So the next step from here is if you have a wholesale account, you can either talk with your leader and they can help you upgrade it, and you would set your loyalty order to 100 PV. If you don't have a wholesale account yet, but you're interested in building a business, you would simply talk with your doTERRA person. They'd help you choose a kit and then set up your loyalty rewards program. Reach out to your doTERRA person. We're going to plug you into all of our training and resources, and we want to help you start making a list and sample people that you want to share essential oils with. This is a lot of fun, and I highly recommend, if you're looking to build your business, to please reach out to your doTERRA person to get in on your mentoring calls. There is an initial call where we can help find out how this fits for you with time and effort and all those things, so it can be a great fit for where you want to go. This is about us helping you achieve your dreams. The only thing keeping you from what you want is your story about why you can't have it. So I would like to invite you to go ahead and reach out by clicking the button below and letting us know that you'd like to reach out and learn more about the business opportunity with doTERRA. Hope to talk to you soon, and have a wonderful day.